Hi, I'm Roy from Roy's Garage. Today I'm going to be working on a 2003 Honda CRV 2.4 liter automatic. Car came in overheated, so I'm going to be checking the cooling system. These are the tools I'm going to be using today to do this job. Long nose plier, water pump plier, a standard plier, a tool to remove my plastic retainer, flat tip screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/4 inch extension, another 1/4 inch extension, 10mm socket, 8mm socket, coolant pressure tester, and anti-seize. These are the parts I'm going to be using today to do this job: an upper radiator hose and some Premixed 50/50 antifreeze. So I opened up the radiator cap and the radiator was empty. So I filled up the radiator with coolant. Now I'm going to be pressurizing the cooling system. Yeah, it's leaking from the upper radiator hose. So I'm going to be replacing the upper radiator hose. So I'm going to be removing this plastic cover, removing these retainers, so I'm going to be removing this air intake tube. So I'm probably going to be removing it from the air box. So I can't squeeze this clamp because this air, the bottom of the air cleaner is in the way. So I'm going to have to either remove it or move it to the side. So I'm going to get one razor blade and just going to cut the hose to split it open. So I'm going to be removing the hose that attaches to the radiator. So I'm going to be installing my upper hose, but first I'm going to be shooting some silicone spray. That way make it a little easier to slip on. So we're going to be tightening up the hose clamps. Okay, so we're going to be putting back the lower portion of the air cleaner. Putting on some antifreeze on the bolts. So putting on my air intake. Putting on the upper portion of the air cleaner. Screwing down the air cleaner. Okay, putting this clamp on. Putting this connector on. So I'll be tightening up these clamps. So I'm going to be filling the cooling system with antifreeze. So I'm going to be pressurizing the cooling system again. Perfect, holding good pressure. Okay, so I'm going to be topping off the antifreeze. Okay, putting back the radiator cap. So I'm going to start it up and run it through the heat cycle. If everything runs good, then I'll put the plastic piece back on. So I ran it through the heat cycle. Everything is working properly. So now I'm going to be putting on this plastic piece. Putting on my retainers. Okay, now you're good to go. So that's how you replace an upper radiator hose. If you have any questions, comment below. Make sure to subscribe, give me a thumbs up, and I see you in the next video. Aloha.